So in this first video we are going to download and install Python in our computer. So I am using Windows 10 operating system. So we will see how to download and install Python. So first step is you have to open your Chrome browser or whatever browser you are preferring, and you have to type here download Python. Click enter. So you will get this first link. It is www.python.org. You have to click on this link. So this is the latest version available of Python. So and here some previous versions are also available. So if you want previous version, you can download previous versions also. So here downloads are available. So I will go with this latest version. So I will click on this. So once you click on this, it will start downloading the exe. So already I have downloaded this exe in my downloads folder. So I will not download it again. So but you have to download and it will get downloaded in the downloads folder. So I am cancelling this. Now you have to go in your downloads folder. So and you have to double click on this exe. So it will start installing. So now here it is giving two options, install now and customize installation. If you want to do customization, you can go with customize installation. So I will go with default. So with this installation you will get ideally, that is integrated development environment. Pip is package manager, so that you have to use this pip for package installation in Python, and this is documentation. And you have to click on this add python.exe to path, so it will get added to the path, and because of that you can access Python from anywhere in the anywhere from any location in your computer. So I will click here install now. So it has started installation. So it will take some time. So for now I will pause the video. So in this way setup is successful. So you can close this window. So in this way our Python installation is successful. So a later part we will see in the next session. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And in this Python 820 course you will learn core Python, then advanced Python. So you will get full knowledge of Python. So if you wish to learn, so you can subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.